Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom soup. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready and measured. You'll need fresh mushrooms, cream, broth, and a few key seasonings. We'll start by preparing the vegetables, then move on to building a flavorful base. This recipe aims to replicate that comforting, savory taste you love, guiding you through each step for a delicious result. To begin, slice your 250 grams of mushrooms thinly. Next, finely chop one small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. These aromatics will form the foundation of our soup's flavor. Have your 500 milliliters of broth ready, along with 200 milliliters of heavy cream and 30 grams of butter. A little olive oil will also be useful for sautéing. Start by melting 30 grams of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and garlic, sautéing them for about 3 minutes until they become translucent and fragrant. Now, add the sliced mushrooms and cook them until they release their moisture and begin to brown slightly. Stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for 1 minute to create a roux. Slowly pour in the 500 milliliters of broth, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the soup to thicken. Finally, stir in the 200 milliliters of heavy cream and season with salt and black pepper to your liking. Serve your delicious mushroom soup hot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.